Hello, it's Helen Godden here and welcome back to our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. Yes, it's December 13 and we've moved on to our third poinsettia, and I'm looking at this petal that's sort of horizontal through the middle here. It has got quite a bit of interruption from the other shapes, so I'm trying to think of a design that will be easy to execute even though part of that petal is hidden by this one. So I'm going to do what I call contour stippling, which is where we create quite a large stipple that sort of fills that area, and then I go back and repeat it. Let's have a look. So in this petal I've done a large stipple that fills that area, and now I'm going to go approximately parallel, making sure my stitching goes close and then far, and it's going to give a contour look just like we're looking at a contour of a map. It's amazing the difference it can make when you come back and just fill in that little area there. It just really finishes the whole piece off. It certainly looks a bit groovy, like we've gone back to a 70s Christmas, baby. A bit of fun with that one. Okay, practice your contour stippling and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.